Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq. That's the daily chart on Nasdaq, and my question is, or has been, is this a W pattern, a bottom formation? If so, then this is my price target up above there, but let me draw the neckline. We need to, let's say this is the neckline here, around this area at 15,130. So can we break above there? Just a second. Or this wick up here could also be a neckline if I count the wicks. 15,245 or so. Anyway, it does seem like we are going to the 50-day EMA. Probably we are there. We are on our way to the 50-day EMA, which is right there at around 15,300, and there we will see, can we break above? If so, then this, 15,600 is going to be my price target. But then of course I would say that we are going to go back to this area, probably to the previous top area. Okay, let's go over to Sp500. Let's have a quick look there. So this is a Sp500 daily chart. We had this head and shoulder pattern, broke down, hit my price target, and we started our way back up. And now we are spending time at my neckline here, right here. This is my neckline. So can we break above? Then we will have a big, I will have a big price target. Let me measure this. So, well, if I want to be more conservative, then I measure only the bodies of the candles, and then this down here is going to be my neckline. So in this case, I would say we are going back to the top. 4,800 is going to be my price target. If I'm not that conservative and I count the wicks as well, let me measure this here. And of course everyone is waiting for the data which are going to be revealed at 2:30 European time, and we will see how the markets react, and then of course we will be smarter in making decisions. Okay, well, let's say let me just say this is the end, and then put it here on my neckline. In this case, I have a new all-time high price target, 4,900. So if we get above this and we are above the 50-day EMA, that's a good sign. But 20-day EMA is below the 50-day EMA. That suggests that we can still be bearish and we may turn back anytime. But if we get above, then this could become a W pattern, and then I think my price targets are valid. Let's have a quick look at Dow Jones, and that's the daily chart on Dow Jones. Similar situation here, but we are above the neckline, so it does suggest to me that probably all the other indices are going to get above the neckline, and this is probably a valid bottom formation. Let's be conservative and let's just measure the bodies, and then even so my price target is high up there, up above, new all-time high, I believe, 37,200. 37,200 is going to be my price target here. So that's very interesting. Of course, I have these levels to watch here, but I don't need this one here. This one is first, and then this one is second. But we will probably hit this price target. Okay, let's go over to Germany. And let's see what's happening there. This is the daily chart on the German index. And similar situation, we have a W pattern, but we haven't come up to the neckline yet. We need to get above 50-day EMA. Probably we are on our way to the 50-day EMA, and which is 15,600. Once we are above there, I think we will be on our way to this area. More importantly, 15,731. And if we are above there, then this is going to be a huge W pattern as well. And let me measure my price target here. Let's be conservative and let's just measure the bodies right now from the top to the bottom. Of course, I could measure the wicks with the wicks as well, and that will be interesting to see what will happen. But right now, it seems to me that it's very possible that we are going to go to previous all-time high 16,300-ish levels, a little bit below there. So, very interesting. But we need to get above the neckline, of course, in order for this to play out. Let's go over to Japan. That's Nikkei, the Japanese index. And we are above this area of resistance that's now support. And we need to get above the 50-day EMA. And if we do, then let me just see. Where are we? This is going to be my price target, 28,700. Above there, 29,300. And yeah, that's the 50-day EMA, 27,980. So if we are above 28, then 28,700 is my price target. It's just as simple as that. So let's go over to Russel. Daily chart on Russel. We've got this W pattern. We are above the neckline, so I'm waiting for my price target to be hit at around, which level is it? 2,222. So right now we are on our way to the 50-day EMA 2,120. Once we are above there, then this is going to be my price target. Once we are above there, then let me see, then 2,287 is going to be my price target, and of course above there I will look at this again. That's all for now. See you next time.